Hello everyone. I want to show you something. You see this that I'm holding? I made soap without oil and caustic. I think last year. As of the time I made this soap, the drum I was using to make the soap was a new drum. So the lining of the drum, if you look at this soap, this is the soap. The lining of the drum got into the soap so much that the soap, I didn't like the way it looked. So I shredded the soap. I was packing some of my plenty of cut for the batch today when I stumbled upon this, and I remember that, see this my soap that I made a long time ago. This soap is very hard and it foams. I made this soap without oil and caustic. I was experimenting. I didn't make much. This is just it. I shredded it, and when I was going through the shreds, I was lucky enough to see this piece. I think I didn't shred it. This piece, the way it is now, I can't even shred it. See, this thing is very hard. See, are you seeing? Very, very, very. I have to use my finger. See, before, and it's even paining me. See, it was very hard. Okay, so this one will just use it. But this one that I've shredded, I have to rebatch it, because as of the time I made it, this is how most of the soap were looking, with this brown lining from the drum. And then I don't know, for me, I was just feeling as if maybe nobody will buy for me. People are used to our normal soap. So I just felt that, let me shred it and then add it to my normal soap. So I shredded it, and I forgot it inside the sack. I just saw it today, so I turned it and I said, let me show you guys. Let me test this soap for foaming. Let's see. Let me pour water for it to see how it foams. Okay. You can see. Let me hold it with the other hand. You can see. It foams well. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the bubbles? I'm holding. Let me see whether I can keep this. Are you seeing? And it's not even looking whitish. See? Let me even do it inside here. You see? So can you see? Can you see how it's foaming? And obviously, as you can see, obviously, as you can see, it doesn't dissolve fast. If not, this one would have melted since. So I think now that things are not easy in Nigeria, if I'm able to make this and I will reduce the price, I think people will buy for me. Before that time, I was thinking, I say, who will buy for me? They will say it doesn't look like a normal soap. But see, see bubbles now, my people. See bubbles. See foaming. And see, it's not even whitish. It's normal foam. Kai, I don't know why I didn't take this serious. I think I'm going to take it serious now. See foam now. Haba. Oh boy, yeah. Now wow for me, I just sit down, leave this thing, just Kai. No, let me take this thing serious. Wallahi. You can see what made me feel this soap is not fine, my people. Can you imagine for me? Let me put water on it very well so that it will show. Are you seeing them? There are plenty. This one do not even have much. Most of them that time, that's how you see this brown thing, plenty. I said, who like go and bring this soap now, and I'll tell them it's good soap. They are seeing all these brown things. Nobody will believe me when I tell them there is lining of drum. But thank God the drums I have now, they are smooth now, no more lining. See, I did for you, wallahi. See this soap, see you, my people. So I'm going to work on this thing. I'm going to work on this recipe and see See, I'm going to work on this recipe and see if I can make this soap again without all this rough. Thank God my pots are okay now. I'm going to repeat it again. Okay. So if you have not been part of our group, come and join us. So if you have a passion for soap making, follow me, like my video, ask me any question you have. Okay? Ciao. Meanwhile, see soap that I made using plodder method that I can also use for manual. This soap has not reached, let me just say it's about 2 hours, but see, it's already hard. Okay, so by tomorrow I'll cut it, but I'll send a summary of the video for you here on TikTok. Okay, ciao.